Alright, I wanted to record a quick video here, do an update for end of year, right before Christmas time here. All the guys that have purchased the ammo boxes on Christmas Day, you'll be getting this update here. It's showing a tab for easier opening of the ammo boxes. Just stay tuned to that. As far as the ammo cans for every caliber, still working on that design, so that's probably going to be first thing 2024. Of course, there's little prototypes of the base plates for the Magpul P-Mags and also Hex Mags base plates, +5 on each one. Here goes some takedown pivot pins. You can see here on the left is the factory pivot pin. Takedown pin. This is the pivot pin. This is takedown pin. Long day. Just to show you here, I've extended the design and machined them out of 6061 aluminum. Same thing with the extended magazine releases that you see here. Had this anodized. It's not FDE, but it's a little bit gold looking. But I'm gonna have them machined color, just like these takedown pivot pins that come in either this machine look or in black. As you can see there, black anodized. I have many available. Just got done packaging them up inside this. So I have not that many in black, but I have a lot in machine finish. So if you guys are interested, link will be in the description below. I also have a prototype I've been working on here, which is a ambidextrous magazine release for the AR-15. Now this one's a little bit different, so here, let me show you. Take it apart here 1 second. There we go. Push the video back a little bit. This one's a little bit different. So instead of you having this end going all the way through that has the threads on this side, I did something a little bit different. I did this end to have the threads that go all the way through here to the other side. And then of course you have your little swing arm here that presses up against your lower receiver in order for this to release the magazine. This is it's anodized, but it hasn't been hard anodized, so that's why it's all scraped up. Something I've been working on for a while. As far as the PMAG base plates, these are completely done. I have several short videos regarding install on these things and how it looks. Same thing for the Hex Mags with the opening on the bottom for easy takedown. I know I received a lot of requests on having this option to have the easy takedown on the P-Mags because, you know, some people had Terran Tactical, they had Aero Knocks or whatever it may be, and they had, I guess, issues with taking them apart, spring issues or something like that. But I went ahead and per your request, I went ahead and got that completed. So those files are available to those who already purchased 3D printable files. All you have to do is log into your account, hit the download button. You should have the new files in there. Same thing with the Hex Mag. Did that on there. And I got many projects that I have going on. If you guys are interested, you're welcome to go to the site. It'll be in the description. And any projects you guys are trying to get done for yourself, you know, some type of item for your pistol, your shotgun, your AR, you name it. If it's not available on the market and it's something that you want to have done custom, normally I charge for custom projects, but if it's something that's going to benefit a lot of other people, we can work out a deal to where I'll do all the design work. You don't have to come out of pocket for anything. I'll just do the whole complete design, have everything machine ready, and I'll make those files available to anyone else that wants to be able to either 3D print it or machine it themselves on a desktop CNC machine. So I appreciate all you guys that purchased the ammo boxes. You know, has helped me purchasing my desktop CNC machine, getting some material, and being able to get a lot of these projects knocked out and be able to supply you guys with the parts that you may need for your current build or for a future build. So I look forward to any questions or comments you guys may have. Christmas Day, like I said, stay tuned. You'll have the files for the for the ammo boxes, and all of them there's 14 calibers, so they'll all have a little tab on there for easy slide out. I know a lot of you are complaining about this current design here. I don't have any issues with it, but for a lot of you, I guess it was bothering you a lot that you were having your drawer being stuck and you weren't able to get it out, so went ahead and took care of that issue. Also, again, these takedown pivot pins are available. They'll be in the link will be in the description below, and these will begin shipping the day after Christmas, which will be the 26th of December. Being that right now it's Saturday night, the 23rd, and there's no shipping on Sunday or shipping on Monday, Christmas Day. So they'll begin shipping on Tuesday. So if you're interested, like I said, I'm limited on the black hard anodized, but I have a lot of the machine finish ones. They're like a clear anodized to them, if you guys are interested. All right, thank you for watching, and I look forward to your questions and comments you may have. Take care.